Welcome back to the Wi-Fi Money Vault, where we unlock the mysteries of online earning, guiding you through the digital landscape to success. Today's journey is all about seizing the power of YouTube Shorts, those bite-sized videos exploding across social media platforms. And guess what? You're about to learn how to create a whopping 500 of these shorts in just 5 minutes, using nothing but Canva and ChatGPT. Intrigued? Stick around because we're about to dive in. Did you know that creators on platforms like Instagram and TikTok are raking in tens of thousands of dollars monthly from short videos? It's true. Now, imagine harnessing that same potential on YouTube. With the rise of shorts, the opportunities for monetization are immense. But here's the kicker. To cash in, you need content. Lots of it. And that's where our method comes in handy. By generating 1,000 short clips in just 20 minutes, you're positioning yourself for serious earnings. But why focus on shorts, you ask? Well, statistics show that short-form content is skyrocketing in popularity, with attention spans shrinking by the day. People crave quick, digestible content they can consume on the go. And with YouTube Shorts, you have the chance to captivate audiences in mere seconds, driving engagement and ultimately revenue. Now let's talk about tools. Our secret weapon? ChatGPT. But before digging in, let's talk a little about it. ChatGPT, the AI powerhouse behind our content creation magic. Ever wondered how artificial intelligence could revolutionize content creation? Well, look no further than ChatGPT. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is built on the cutting-edge GPT, generative pre-trained transformer architecture, making it one of the most advanced language models on the market. But here's where it gets interesting. ChatGPT isn't just another AI tool. It's a game changer for creators. With its natural language processing capabilities, ChatGPT can generate human-like text based on prompts, making it an invaluable resource for content ideation and creation. Whether you need blog post ideas, marketing copy, or as we'll explore today, YouTube Shorts prompts, ChatGPT has you covered. Did you know that OpenAI's language models, including ChatGPT, have been trained on vast amounts of text from the internet? This means they're not just regurgitating information, they're synthesizing it in a way that's both accurate and engaging. And with advancements in AI technology, ChatGPT is only getting smarter by the day, opening up endless possibilities for creators like you and me. Now, too good to be true, isn't it? You might say, with all these benefits, it surely comes with a price. Say no more. With content creation, you don't need the premium version. That's right. Everyone can access this powerful AI tool. With ChatGPT, you'll effortlessly generate 50 sets of facts tailored for shorts. Think psychology, motivation, relationships, the works. These prompts are gold mines for shareable content, ensuring your shorts resonate with audiences far and wide. Here's why this step is crucial. ChatGPT takes the grunt work out of content creation. No more staring at a blank screen, wondering what to post. By harnessing the AI's capabilities, you're streamlining your workflow, freeing up time to focus on what truly matters, building your brand and cashing those checks. Now, onto the visuals. But before we dig into the details of how you do your designs and stuff, let's take a quick breather. If you're finding value in today's content, and trust me, you're in for a treat, why not show some love to the Wi-Fi Money Vault community? It's as easy as hitting that thumbs up button below and subscribing to our channel for more insider tips and tricks on earning online. But wait, there's more. Have a burning question or a suggestion for future videos? Drop a comment down below and let us know. Your feedback fuels our journey to unlocking the secrets of online earning, one video at a time. So go ahead, engage with us, and join our ever-growing community of digital pioneers. Now, let's get back to the action. Canva, the ultimate design platform for creators worldwide. Did you know that Canva was founded in 2012 by Melanie Perkins, Cliff Obrecht, and Cameron Adams in a small apartment in Sydney, Australia? Talk about a humble beginning. What began as a simple tool for designing school yearbooks quickly blossomed into a global phenomenon, boasting over 60 million active users across 190 countries. Now that's what I call a success story. But here's the real kicker. Canva isn't just for seasoned designers. In fact, it's revolutionizing the way people approach design, democratizing access to professional quality visuals for everyone. From social media graphics to presentations and even video editing, Canva's intuitive interface empowers users of all skill levels to unleash their creativity. And with a treasure trove of templates, photos, and illustrations at your fingertips, the possibilities are endless. So, whether you're a budding entrepreneur or a seasoned content creator, Canva has something for everyone. In relation to shorts, Canva is our go-to for crafting eye-catching reels. With its user-friendly interface and abundance of templates, creating stunning visuals is a breeze. Start by selecting the YouTube Shorts template and sprucing it up with a captivating video background. Remember, visuals are key to stopping the scroll and grabbing viewers' attention. But why Canva, you might ask? Well, for starters, it's accessible to everyone, regardless of design experience. Plus, Canva's vast library of assets ensures your shorts stand out from the crowd. By investing a few minutes in design, you're elevating your content and increasing its shareability. A win-win in the world of shorts. Now let's talk efficiency. With Canva's bulk creation tool, churning out 50 shorts is a walk in the park. By linking your ChatGPT-generated content to Canva, you're automating the editing process, saving time and energy. Simply input your data, hit generate, and voila! Your videos are ready for download. This step is a game-changer for content creators. By automating mundane tasks, you're maximizing productivity and scalability. Gone are the days of manual editing. Now you can focus on what truly matters, creating quality content and growing your audience. In a nutshell, here's how it goes. First up, let's talk about ChatGPT. Once you've signed up and logged into your account, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly interface that's as intuitive as it gets. Now, here's where the magic happens. Crafting your prompts. Think of prompts as the guiding light for ChatGPT. They're the questions or instructions that prompt the AI to generate text. So take your time to refine your prompts, ensuring they're clear, concise, and tailored to your content needs. Next, let's return our attention to Canva. After signing up for a free account and logging in, you'll find yourself in a design wonderland, brimming with templates, photos, and illustrations galore. But don't get overwhelmed. Finding the perfect template is as easy as typing YouTube Shorts into the search bar and selecting the template that catches your eye. From there, it's all about customizing to your heart's content. Want to add a video background? Simply navigate to the Videos tab, search for your desired footage, and drag it onto your canvas. It's that easy. But here's where things get really interesting. Connecting ChatGPT with Canva to automate the content creation process. With your ChatGPT-generated prompts in hand, it's time to fire up Canva's bulk creation tool. Simply input your data, link it to your Canva project, and watch as your shorts come to life before your very eyes. And the best part? Once you've set it up, you can sit back and let the AI do the heavy lifting, freeing up time to focus on other aspects of your content strategy. So, whether you're brainstorming ideas with ChatGPT or bringing them to life with Canva, remember, these tools are your ticket to unlocking the full potential of your creativity. With a bit of practice and experimentation, you'll be creating jaw-dropping content that captivates audiences and drives engagement like never before. So go ahead, dive in, and let your imagination run wild. The digital landscape is yours for the taking, so make it count. And there you have it. 500 YouTube Shorts in just 5 minutes, courtesy of Canva and ChatGPT. But remember, creating content is only half the battle. To truly thrive in the world of shorts, consistency is key. So, armed with your newfound knowledge, go forth, create and conquer the digital landscape. Until next time, keep hustling and unlocking those Wi-Fi treasures.